digestion is a kind of breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water soluble food. Why water soluble food molecules? Because only water soluble molecules, they can be inside the blood or plasma. Plasma is absolutely 90% of the water, and this particular food goes through mouth, and the remaining waste come out as a defecation. This mouth to anus is considered that it is out of the body. It is simple lumen, right? This lumen, or this particularly a cylindrical tube from mouth to anus, is actually out of the body. This just provide us a channel to get our food absorbed. So digestion is basically breakdown of polypeptides into small amino acids, or peptide chain and into amino acids. A breakdown of fat molecule, a big fat molecule which is a triglyceride molecule having a fat structure, having a glycerol structure connected with the carbon chain, and these carbon chains will be broken down into different chains, and ultimately they will be absorbed from the gut. So that is what is a digestion. Coming to the what are the steps in digestion, so we'll understand that there are almost 7 different steps are there in the digestion. First step is ingestion. Ingestion is a chewing, breaking, mixing it with the saliva, and then actually propulsing it into the pharynx and further into the esophagus. Very important portion about the digestion is that the propulsion from our pharynx to our stomach, this particularly is through peristaltic movement, means it's actually through bolus. This particular moment is such a strong moment that even if we are in Shirshasana or upright revert position, this moment can occur. Of course, don't try it because that is not a good habit, but this can occur. Such a strong process is there in the peristalsis moments, or propulsion, what we say it as mechanical digestion. And this, you keep this particular thing very importantly instill in your mind, that mechanical digestion is one of the factor which, if we don't inculcate in our body, lead to indigestion. So mechanical digestion is basically a kind of broken down by chewing, by munching, by churning in the stomach, or by segmentation, okay, in small intestine. So this particularly mechanical digestion is also important. Similarly, chemical digestion. We have digestive juices, almost 9 to 10 juices. I will come to that also, so that you will get whole package about the digestion. So this chemical digestion is something which is a chemical enzymes, biochemical enzymes. They're from pancreas, from liver. They act on our food. They break that food into small pieces, small molecules, and then it is absorbed. So chemical digestion is also there. Absorption of food is a very important process, and believe me, absorption of food plays such an important role that if this food is not absorbed, if food is absorbed partially, if it is not digested and remain there, then that can cause bloating, toxins release and secretion. Similarly, in the digestion process, assimilation is another process. What is that? The absorbed substance, they are transported to different organs via blood vessels, and these substances are used build complex substances like proteins, and this protein which is actually building blocks of our body. This is what is assimilation. And the last phase is egestion. So what is egestion? Is a defecation of food, which is a waste one, but of course it is not completely waste one. It has certain nutrition definitely, but we don't actually utilize them. In our colon, which is one of the distal part in our gut before rectum and anus, most of the water which is absorbed here. Okay, so these are the 7 steps where the digestion go through.